everybody, welcome to Just Think Art. Today we're going to draw a Mother's Day card for special moms. Okay, so you need a paper, a pencil, a marker, some colors. So bring a paper with you. Now we're going to take this paper and we're going to fold it in half. We're going to make a card for mom. So here we join the two edges. Okay, make sure they're connected. Then go down and press in the center and then go to the sides. There you go. That's your card. Now place the card so that the right side is open. Now close the card. Now here's your pencil. We're going to take we're going to draw some circles. So now this is the center of your card. We're going to draw a circle over there which is fairly big, like a big O. We're going to draw one up on the left hand side, one down here, and then one a little higher up here. Just space them out on your paper. Make sure they're apart from each other, they're not touching the edges. Now let's start from the one on the top. We're going to draw the shape U, 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 and keep going around while you draw the U. Make sure they're nice and wide. And then connect it, and there you have your flower. Okay, now one more. Let's begin. 1, 2, keep going. All the way around until you finish your flower. Make sure they're nice and wide. Keep going, and there you go until you touch. Now let's do this one over here. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. It doesn't matter how many petals you have. Just make them equal and go all the way around. Keep going. And the last one, and connect. Now one more over here. Begin. Keep going. Space them out equally. Draw the U. Keep going. There you go. Now you have your flowers ready. On the bottom, you're going to draw a sleeping line and a standing line. We're making a rectangle. It's like a box for the flowers on the other side, and then connect it together. In this rectangle, in the middle, we're going to draw like a sleeping tree and then a V. We're going to make a heart for mom, and then we're going to write an M on this side and an M on this side. There you go. Now from each flower you're going to take a little line and connect it to the bottom. Keep going. Now this one's up here, so you're going to go, stop, draw an imaginary line, and then come down again, and there you go. Now draw a happy face and a sad face to make your leaf. A sad face and a happy face to make your leaf. Happy face, sad face, happy face, sad face. Okay. Now, if you want, we can add one more baby flower over here. Circle, smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now come down and again all the way, and happy face and sad face. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now we're gonna take the flowers and make little happy faces, 2 eyes and a smile. 2 eyes, you can make them slightly bigger, and a happy face, and 2 eyes and a happy face, 2 eyes, circle, and a happy face. There you go. Now take your marker. We're gonna go so. Start from the one on the top and outline your flower. Nice and slow. Try to be over the line. Keep going. And a happy face. Now let's start with the second flower. Circle the flower, go nice and slow. You can always pause the video if you think you need to stop and color it. Keep going. There you go. Now draw the eye and the face, happy face. And draw 2 small lines at the edges. One more. Circle, circle, happy face, 2 lines. Keep going. Now keep going, straight line, sad face, happy face. Straight line, come down all the way, come down, sad face, happy face. Keep going. Outline the full flower. Sad face and happy face, do the leaves and the baby flower here. Small sad face and okay. Now let's outline the flower pots. M, heart, draw a line on the top. There you go, looks beautiful. Now take an eraser, erase off all the pencil lines. I'm gonna color my flowers yellow. So there you go. Right yellow. And the baby one. Make sure you color inside the lines, leave the white spaces. Now take the orange. Color inside the lines. Nice and slow and controlled. Leave no white spaces. Now let's take a green and color the leaves. Color the heart. Now we're going to color the vase. There you go. Almost done. There you go. And you can give this card to your mom. Open the card, write your personal message. Dear Mom. Okay, it looks beautiful. Okay, all done. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Thank you.